So, very often people want to know, what is my purpose in life? What is it I'm supposed to be doing here in this moment, on earth, in this body? And while this is very important, it's not as important as understanding that we are here to do the cleaning. So, for me, it's not about what is my mission in a bigger sense, because I really don't know. I'm an adult. I'm doing lots of things, but yet I still don't know what's my purpose, except that I'm going to do the cleaning. So it's really not about what is the mission in life or the purpose in life. It's about, on the path, am I able to be myself? Of while I'm in my life, can I experience that sense of self-identity? And that, for me, is my goal. My mission is, moment to moment, do I get a sense of who I am? And divinity is giving us the gift of our self-identity. So here we are with this precious treasure, and we have our physical body to experience the world. We have this gift of self-identity from divinity that allows us to experience divinity. That means the infinite, the cosmos. We can experience that. So the mission for me in life is not a specific task, but in whatever task I'm doing, to be able to connect with these gifts from divinity. And I do that by caring for myself first, last, and always. That self-introspection. How do I care for myself? And then also being willing to just keep going over, I love you, thank you, to myself, because that's what enables or connects me to all these other things. So my willingness to get to the cleaning allows me to find, at any moment, this is my mission for the moment. So it's a small mission, which is to be in the flow, to be with divinity in this moment. And this is a beautiful thing. Lots of people say, well, I want to help humanity, or I want to help my country or my family. That's my mission. Well, these are the things that will help your country, help your family, is this being able to be peaceful and in awe of this divine flow, so that you can give this gift to everyone that you're around. And when I say everyone, I'm not just talking about the people that are in your life, but also the beings, like your house or your apartment or your clothes or your pets or your car. These are all beings that have identities and are also wanting to be fulfilling their mission in life, which it might be being a car. So these beings around us are willing to help us fulfill our own purpose if we are able to be in that divine flow in a moment.